American car company Stellantis say they are back full throttle with a massive turnaround. This after their 2024 sales dropped 36%. The question is, can they turn sales around? And is this an American comeback kid story? From resurrecting muscle cars to billion-dollar investments in a bold move that's shaking up the company. Stellantis is bringing back iconic American models. The Jeep Cherokee-sized SUV is making a grand return. The gas-powered Dodge Charger is roaring back to life. And plans for an all-electric Ram pickup are taking a back seat for now. And it doesn't stop there. Stellantis say they are making a pit stop on refocusing on affordability. Stellantis is promising models that won't just dominate the roads, but also fit into budgets of everyday Americans. With over $5 billion in new investments, Stellantis is revving up its U.S. manufacturing. The reopening of the Belvidere, Illinois plant alone will create 1,500 jobs and produce a new mid-size pickup truck by 2027. Now, after the 6-week strike and intensive negotiations with the UAW, Stellantis have struck a new deal. One that ensures billions of dollars of flow back into American jobs and industry, a true victory lap for U.S. jobs. Originally slated for production in Mexico, the Dodge Durango SUV will now roll off the lines at Stellantis Detroit Assembly Complex, solidifying their commitment to U.S. manufacturing. Former CEO Carlos Tavares is out, and there is a new interim leadership team led by John Elkman. Stellantis is hitting the reset button. The company is shifting gears with a renewed focus on innovation and classic appeal. The pivot comes when the automaker grapples with balancing EV advancements and consumer demand for internal combustion engines. Stellantis' strategy catered to both worlds with virtually all styles. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or someone who loves a good underdog story. Now, Stellantis claim they are back, but will this return and invigorated new plan lead to auto sales? I guess we'll have to wait and see. In California, I'm Nick Miles.